Police officers.
Police officers.
Good job. How about this one? Let's say firefighters.
Firefighters.
Awesome work, Dong. How about this one? Let's say teachers.
Teachers.
Very good. This one, Dong, before we end, please read this one. Get well.
Get well.
Okay. Read the sentence again. They help.
They help people to get well.
Very good. How about this one? They protect.
They protect people from harm.
Mm-hmm. Say this one more. Harm.
Harm.
Okay. Say it again. They protect people from harm.
They protect people from harm.
All right. Good job, Dong. Okay, so for your homework, Dong, for your homework, I want you to make your own mind map, just like this one. Okay? This is your homework. Make a mind map. All right, Dong? Like this. Understood? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So you're going to make a mind map and you need to take video presentation about it. All right?
Yes.
Okay, Dong. So do you have any question?